The 14th of December. Welcome to the 2021 Lego Harry Potter Advent Calendar Reveal and Build, Day 14, right here. Let's open up this. And we have, oh, I think I know what this is. This goes with day 13 build, yesterday's build, which looked to be a vault entry, and I have a feeling this is going to be the contents of the vault, being some gold by the looks of these, the color of these pieces. Let's expand that. Okay, where did that other piece go? There we are. Okay. All right, we have some gold bullion by the looks of it. This piece here. Go on the end. And 1, 2, layer those up. Make it look like there's plenty there. And some gold coins. All right. Yes, I think the vault was yesterday, and today are the vault contents. Day 14, day 15 tomorrow, which is a Wednesday. Wednesday tomorrow. Okay, there we have it. And that's going to go in behind the vaults down here. So if I zoom in, so we have, let's see if I can get this to sit properly. Sorry about all this movement. Okay. Here, and this vault here should open up to reveal the gold. All right, so that is day 14. Where is day 15 on the calendar here? Day 15 is over here, so to the right. So that is the one that we will be revealing tomorrow. I hope you can join me. Bye for now.